Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and I am in Salt Lake City at the Little America Hotel, and I wanted to give you a tour of my hotel room because this is one of my favorite hotels, and I wanted to show you why. I'm going to go back to where the room begins. This is at the entrance of the room. I'm on the 11th floor. These rooms are amazing. When you walk in, first of all, there's a beautiful hardwood floor. They just have a really rich and elegant feel to them. Here's the door that leads to the bathroom area, and the bathroom area is insanely huge. Here's the closet. You've got all kinds of storage space, a coffee bar. There's a safe in one of those drawers, and then the bottom drawer is a refrigerator. Super cool. Lots and lots of room in the closet. You got a bathroom area right here, and then a huge bathroom area right here with a sink, toilet. They've even got a scale. This thing is decked out. Some little nice amenities there. The reason I like to show you hotel rooms is because before I travel, I like to see them as well. I like to know what I'm getting into, and this is a nice hotel. Definitely worth the price. It's not overpriced. It's actually pretty reasonable, but you get a lot of bang for your buck with this hotel, and the entire hotel itself is beautiful, but the rooms are amazing. So if you walk out of this front area, this is the bedroom area, which is, I love how this is situated. Big, huge bed. I have a king size bed, big screen TV. And then over here in all their rooms, they have like a living area set up. So, kind of an area to relax and lounge, a nice desk area to work at. So these rooms are also really great for travel. And I think that's why a lot of companies use this hotel for work conferences and such, because the rooms are laid out so wonderfully. And then the view of Salt Lake City. So as you can see, it's a kind of a snowy, cloudy day here today. It snowed a little bit earlier, but you have a really nice view of the mountains and the city. I just love this hotel. It's just such a cozy little place. It feels like a home when you come here. So anyway, there you go. There's a peek at my room here at the Little America Hotel in Salt Lake City. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.